I didn't say to you anything before because I was just doing the weekend. I tried to be concentrate and focus and find the best result. Now they are checking Clínica Mayo in America, but most probably I will have another surgery on the arm. Finish the season like this. Today I ride, the first lap is not so bad, but then I ride my 70%. Always thinking about the arm, and like this I cannot set up well the bike, I cannot set up well the electronics, I cannot. I mean, I cannot ride, the bike, because in the beginning, no, the bike, but I cannot ride. I mean, with this bike, I can be faster. I mean, it's not amazing bike, but I can be faster. And like this, I prefer to stop now, because if not, you see, I accept to finish 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, but it's not my style. But I accept like this because if not, I will get injured about another thing, because I will crash more time. Now, every time I try to make rhythm or push more than what I feel, crash.
Will you lose all the year?
No, my plan is to do now, because they say around 3 months. Finish the year, make the last races, make the Valencia test, and make a normal winter.
Mira bien.
Sí, anda bien.
Bueno.
Es el padre o algo, tío.
No, que sepa no. Bueno. Venga. Vaya bien, dice.
Jarro de agua fría porque saben lo que estoy viviendo y me notan. De hecho, 2 italianos me lo dijeron, dice, cuando nos ha dicho reunión después de la carrera, estaba un poco, dice, porque la última reunión que hicimos así en un camión después de una carrera fue con Casey Stoner, que trabajaban con él, para decir que se retiraba.
Sí, Casey Stoner para decir que se retiraba. Que se retiraba, ¿no? Lo he dicho antes que sería rojo,
Imagínate, si piensan eso, imagínate cómo me ven.
I know.